What to do if you lose your phone by CyberSecured advisor. How to theft-proof your phone before losing your phone. Be sure to use a strong screen lock. This is your first and strongest line of defense. Don't use an easy 4-digit PIN. As much as possible, use a strong password that contains a combination of numbers, symbols, capital, and lowercase letters. Most of the phones today are using fingerprint readers. A fingerprint sensor gives you a convenient unlocking option. But there are a few things to keep in mind. A fingerprint can be less secure than a strong PIN, pattern, or password. A copy of your fingerprint could be used to unlock your phone. You leave fingerprints on many things you touch, including your phone. You'll be asked to add a backup PIN, pattern, or password. You'll need to use it sometimes, like after restarting your phone, or if your fingerprint isn't recognized. Track your device. Both Apple and Android have inbuilt features that allow you to track your device if it gets lost. In Apple, it is called Find My Phone, and on Android Device Manager. When you log in through your Apple or Google account while setting up the phone, this feature gets enabled by default. If it's not, turning it on is a must. Back up your files, photos, videos, contacts. Phones nowadays typically offer free cloud backups for the phone. These options often appear when you set up the phone for the first time, though you can always activate them later. OneDrive, Dropbox, or other neutral-based cloud backups will make it easier to retrieve your precious memories if your next phone is from a different carrier, model, and brand. Attach a note. You may not love the idea of marring your phone's great looks, but doing so may increase your chances of getting it back if it's found by an honest person. Tape a tiny note on the back of your phone with your email address or a work number. Don't give your home number to be safe. Install data encryption apps. By installing data encryption apps to your phone, you can protect your social chats, passwords, emails that later can be used to you by the thief to blackmail you. After losing your phone. 1. Wipe your phone's memory. 2. Change your important passwords. 3. Call or text everyone and inform them about your missing phone. 4. Report the loss to the police.